Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we will be diving deep into the world of maintenance metrics. These are critical tools that help us measure the performance of our assets and processes, providing data-driven insights for decision-making. We'll be breaking down these metrics into two main categories, known as leading and lagging indicators. Stick around to understand how these indicators can predict future performance or interpret past performance, enhancing your maintenance and reliability strategies. In the world of maintenance, metrics are a crucial tool. They help us measure and quantify the level of achievement of a particular asset or plant process. By determining the state of the plant using these metrics and performance indicators, personnel can make data-driven decisions and identify potential problems. But did you know that these metrics and indicators are generally classified into two categories? They're known as leading and lagging indicators, and they're used to predict future performance or describe past performance, respectively. Let's start with leading indicators. These are measurements that predict the outcome of a process or an event. They're considered to be precursors of events or situations. Take schedule compliance, for instance. When we look at it as an indicator of the likelihood that an asset will experience unplanned failures and downtime, it becomes a leading indicator. Why? Because schedule compliance describes the amount of planned maintenance activities done on time. This can be correlated with how effectively maintenance activities are carried out, and therefore relate to increasing reliability. Another example of a leading indicator is the planned maintenance percentage. This metric affects the amount of unplanned downtime by aiming to keep assets running at optimal health. It also impacts the required manpower, as planned maintenance activities can be more efficiently scheduled. Now let's shift gears and talk about lagging indicators. These are the metrics that measure the performance of the plant by looking at the outcomes and results of processes and operations. By analyzing the historical trend of the plant's performance and its parts, we can apply reactive strategies to address underlying issues. Some common lagging indicators include mean time to repair, mean time between failure, and overall equipment effectiveness. Notice how these metrics are measured to confirm trends that have developed over time. Because these metrics are basically a historical record of performance, they can provide insights on which events in the past might have caused fluctuations to the plant's performance. So you might be wondering, how do we use these leading and lagging indicators? Well, imagine one indicator that predicts the future and another that looks back at the past. Together, they form a complete view of the performance of the plant over time. Leading and lagging indicators aim to provide a panoramic view of the state of the plant through time. The plant's maintenance manager is expected to identify a manageable set of key performance indicators. This should be a mix of leading and lagging indicators viewed as a whole picture to assess the plant's maintenance effectiveness. So, whether you're predicting the future or analyzing the past, remember that both leading and lagging indicators are essential tools in the maintenance toolbox. And that wraps up our discussion on maintenance metrics and the importance of leading and lagging indicators. We hope you've gained valuable insights that can help you improve your maintenance and reliability strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.